Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to go over the newly updated images dashboard within Gavel. This is really exciting because it allows us to drag and drop images into our images dashboard. We can also download and replace and delete these different images across all of our workflows. So we're going to go through an example, and the first one we're going to do is just this image here where someone is reviewing or signing a document. So I'm just going to drag this image over into here, and that's going to get added into my files for my images here. So in my case, I just said person signing document. So the way that we can add an image into our different workflows is we need to grab this name exactly as it appears, go over into whichever workflow you want to add this to. In my case, I'm going to do one that looks like this, but this is really just called Test New Images Dashboard for this demonstration. So we'll look for ours here. We'll go into the editor, and we're just going to create a new block that's an instruction block and put it where we want the image to go. So I'm going to say add question, information block, instruction. And I can just drop this particular name of the image that I grabbed from the back end and just put some straight brackets around it. And in the beginning, I need to put file. I can drag this from the toolbar or from here around to where I want this to go. In my case, I want this to jump up to the top, so I'm just going to drag and drop this all the way to the top here and press save. So since we've already run this, I'll show you the before and after. So this is what this looks like now, and if I go ahead and refresh, now I can have it here at the top. If I want to resize this image, I just need to add the percentage of size I want to go up. So for example, I need to put a comma and then a space, and then I can say, for example, 100%, meaning I want it to be 100% bigger than the original size. So if I come over here and I refresh, I'll be able to see that that image has now increased in size by 100% of the original size of the image. Now, if we want to replace this image, let's say we tried this one, we didn't really like it, and we want to get a new one. What we can do is search for a new image. In my case, I love using pixels. So I'm going to search for law, and then I'm just going to look for something that's similar, maybe this one or something else. Let's say I like this one, so I'm going to say download, and then I'm going to just give it a name. In this case, I'm going to give it the same name as the other one I had, which is person signing document, and I'm going to save this to my downloads. From here, we're going to go back into our dashboard. So we can go back into our files tab here, go down to images, and what we can do is take the image that we just got, person signing document, and just drag this into here. And because it has the same name as the other one we had, person signing document, it's going to ask if we're sure we want to replace this file. We can ignore this or replace. If we say replace, then that's going to replace that image across anywhere that that appears. So now when we refresh this image, we're going to see this new one here across anywhere where we've used that particular file and file name. So this is really exciting and it's really easy to use, as you can see. So what you can do is refer to this help guide on incorporating videos and files, and you'll see that configuration of how to add the image here and also how to increase the size here with some other tips and tricks along the way. So that's all for this video, and I hope it was useful. See you in the next one.